Are your students spending too much time taking notes during guest lectures instead of focusing on and accurately capturing the key takeaways? By using Canvas and Gemini, you can instantly synthesize the essential points into a series of slides from recorded audio or video clips. Consider an international law course where a guest speaker just delivered a talk to students on landmark climate action rulings. The goal is to quickly create a review presentation. In Gemini, select Canvas, and then enter this prompt. From this video transcript, generate a concise 4-slide presentation deck. The slide titles must be action-oriented, starting with a strong verb, focusing on the 4 most important policy changes discussed. Then, you can either paste the transcript text below the prompt or add it to the prompt as a file attachment. Canvas instantly generates a structured 4-slide presentation with clear, active titles. This summary provides students with presentation-ready slides and allows them to focus on discussing the content, not just copying it. To extend this idea further, you can continue the conversation to refine your deck. Ask Gemini to add a slide with Socratic discussion questions, or include real-world examples. Once you're satisfied, simply click Export to Slides to transform your draft into a fully editable Google Slides presentation. Modeling this method shows your students how to move efficiently from external content consumption to professional presentation creation, strengthening their ability to synthesize information rapidly. Okay, now it's your turn. Head over to gemini.google.com to get started.